If you want to change the language in League of Legends, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language settings in the League of Legends client. Before we get started, it's important to know that League of Legends is launched through the Riot Client, and that's where you'll find the language settings for the game. So let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through each step. So first things first, open up Riot Games here. Log into your account. At the top right, go and click on your profile, click on Settings, and in here at the left side, you want to go and just choose League of Legends. Under League of Legends, you should be able to see a number of things like game text language here. So you can go and expand this one, and you can just choose the language that you want to use or whatever you want to see here when you open up or boot up the game. So depending on your region, you may or may not have additional settings in here, but go ahead and choose the one that is available to you. Now, this is just for changing the game text here, so it's not necessarily changing the voiceover for the characters. Now, if you want to change the voiceover for the characters, though, this one is quite different because you need to actually manage or you need to change the properties of the shortcut for League of Legends. So you want to go to your desktop here, look for your League of Legends shortcut. Right-click on it and choose the option for Properties. In here, you want to look for the target field. Now, the thing with the target field is, depending on what information or whatever you put in here, you will be able to access a few things. So in this case, you want to go to the very end of the target field, add a space, and then use the following information. Now, you'll be using the following locale, and you want to choose one of the following options. If you want to hear it in Japanese, Chinese, Taiwanese, or Spanish, go and choose the appropriate one. So, for example, I want to hear it in Japanese. Let's go ahead and copy this one, paste it in here, copy the whole thing, then go to the very end of the target field. Again, make sure there's a space at the very end. Then paste whatever we have right now. Once you're done, click Apply, then click OK. After that, go ahead and double-click on League of Legends to open it up and see if that works. Currently, that is the only way that we can change the voice over language for the game itself. So if it doesn't work for you, it might be because you have the incorrect value added in here. So double check that. Also, it might not work every time. So that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.